Okay, we're with Henry Ong, RFP. What's your take on the markets for 2019?
I think the market should go up. Normally, the last 5 days of the month, there's normally a big rally. So that historically that's proven. So that rally can actually extend up to January. So maybe this is a good time to buy. If you want to buy for 2019, so maybe now will be the good time to pick up some stuff.
Pero you've been investing since the 1990s, 1993, yes? How often is it na up siya at the end of the year? As in
82% for the last 32 years. The market has always been up by year end, and it always open on a strong note every first week of January.
Pero yung context mo dyan is they buy December, sell din kagad ng January.
Probably, yeah, but there are some opportunities that the market can extend up to the end of the month, up to the end of January. So it can be also as good. Like just what happened this year, the market also opened very strong, and it peaked at the last week of January.
Pero elections next year, will that be dapat you should sell before elections or position muna until, kasi hindi naman to presidential elections, wala naman game changer. How, based on your 25 years of experience, ano normally nangyari
sa good for the stock market because elections normally is more spending, so that would be good for the economy. Yeah.
So consumption stocks, ganun, hindi naman.
Yeah, consumption stocks like San Miguel or things like that, or URC, so things that will companies that will benefit from consumption. That would be good.
Eto, curious ako, you posted something about Jollibee and Smashburger. What's your comment on that? Na parang you mentioned that
it will be very good because I think Jollibee, they know what they're doing. So they should be able to turn around that company. I think there's it gives them a good opportunity for them to expand and expand their geographical presence in the world. So they will have more branches. I think that will increase like mga 8% yata their total revenues.
Pero at the valuations of around 40 PE at around almost 300.
Yes.
Is it still wise or better wait for a correction? There's a support at around 240 or wag na lang nila hintayin, bigyan na lang.
Probably, yeah. Probably you can wait for some correction before you can buy, but we don't really buy based on price earnings ratio because the PE is just a pricing tool, so it's not really an indicator of valuation. So maybe technically maybe it's overbought, so maybe if you want to buy, you can buy when it starts to correct, so maybe that's a good time to come in.
Top 3 stocks for 2019.
Yeah, sure. Top 3 stocks. My favorites are Ayala Land.
At current price, 42, 41?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, Ayala Land's SM Prime. My favorite. Yeah.
Okay, one more.
One more? What else? Meralco.
Meralco. So Meralco because of the dividends or?
No, Meralco can give you some cushion because normally utility stocks, they do well when the market is not doing well. So let's say bear market like this, normally utility stocks, they do very well. They become like para silang tawag doon, flight to safety.
Inflation is at 6% this year. Tingin mo bababa for 2019 or will it be lower?
Yes. Central Bank has already said, di ba? I think they're already forecasting that inflation will go down to I think around 3.5%.
Whoa!
Yeah, so it will go down. Yes,
because mataas yung base.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So that will be very good.
Interest rates up, down.
Well, if inflation will go down, then interest rate will go down because interest rate is real interest rate plus inflation. That's composed the interest rate. So if inflation goes down, that's one of the component of interest rate. Then interest rate should also go down.
Forecast for the PSEI next year. Target.
Forecast, I cannot forecast because I'm not a fortune teller, but I think there's a very good chance that the market go up to 8,000.
8,000.
Yeah.
US dollar versus peso.
The US dollar peso. Ano man tayo mo nang ero?
Minsan lang to guys, RFPs Henry Ong.
US dollar, I think in the short term, I think there's a correction. there's a correction. Maybe it will strengthen a bit, but I think next year maybe it can go up. It can go back to 53 or more.
Should they buy basura stocks that are down right now? Stocks that are losing, are not actually earning also, pero may hype, may speculation siya ngayon.
Let's buy basura stocks with good story, because these are they have the catalyst to push the stock higher. So if you want to buy basura stocks, just make sure that they have the fundamentals to back them up.
Pero when you say fundamentals, may kita. Paano mo lang kita?
The fundamentals, hindi naman kailangan ng kita. The fundamentals can be there's a real story. Okay, there's a real story that is developing. Okay, so ang tawag dyan is what we call special situation stocks. Okay, so may nangyayari or something like that.
IRC, Subway, 2050, pero 2025.
I'm not hyping.
Okay, pero pasok pa siya sa ganun na special scenario na
probably, yeah, probably.
Pero kahit it will earn pa by 2025.
Yeah, probably. Maybe, yeah, we can consider that. Yeah.
Okay.
Because there's a story there, right? Yeah.
Okay. In your 25 years of investing, this is the last question na talaga. Any tips for people who want to start investing for 2019 as an RFP, chief RFP?
About what?
For people who are not yet investing, tapos you've been investing for 25 years already.
For people who are not yet investing, it's very important that you have to study. You have to research your own. It's not good that you just listen from other people. So you have to research, you have to study on your own. Okay? So you have to invest in yourself. I think that's the most important thing that you should do for 2019.
Alright, well said from RFP's main guy, Henry Ong. So we're about to go to our taping for On The Money. Minsan lang to na ambush interview natin yung Big Boss. So we're gonna start already. So I'm gonna just put this in silent.
Alam mo, tinanong mo na sa akin yung